Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And before we get started, as usual, I ask everyone to hit that subscribe button that's down below so that you can receive my next recording. Uh, this uh, this video, as always, is about marketing. Most of my videos are about marketing online and home-based businesses and programs that I might be involved with and the marketing systems that I use to promote my programs online. And this program that I'm speaking of now is not marketing online. You can market it online, but it's mostly just mailing out postcards from home. If you would like to start your own postcard business, this is a good way to get started right here and right now. All you have to do is put your information, your full name here, your email address here, and your phone number here. And you will be taken to a page where you can start, where you can sign up to get started. It only takes $50 to get started in this postcard business. And the postcard business is called Cash Building System Unlimited, and it is by the company JD Marketing. And I love working from home. I love marketing online on my computer or on my phone. This is what I've been doing over the years. And it's just exciting to see people coming into your business. And I was responsible for building a business back when the computer boom just jumped off. I recruited one person that was responsible for recruiting thousands. And with this postcard business, you don't have to try to strive to make videos or to market online. Like I was saying, you can do it right from home. Once you are taken to the next page, you have my ID number right here, which is 1556. You're gonna put that in there for your sponsor's ID. And then once you get started, you're gonna receive a kit which entails 200 postcards, 200 leads, and you that you in business. You're in business. All you have to do is put a stamp on it, put those leads on there, and mail it out. That's all it takes. And you can learn more about Cash Building System Unlimited as you go along. Let me give you an example, a little bit of knowledge about Cash Building System Unlimited. A postcard business, as I was saying, you can do it right from home. Start mailing out postcard. It works. It works. People are joining up. There's been postcard businesses over the years, but this one right here is easy to get started. It doesn't cost you that much. You pay $50, and everyone that comes in that see your number, your ID number, or even receive a card from you and join from your card, you're making $25 off of that person. Plus, you're getting an extra 200 free leads and 200 free postcards to mail out over and over again. So this can be real powerful once you get started. And let me give you a little insight on the Cash Building System Unlimited. This is by JD Marketing, and it's the road to financial freedom. By utilizing our direct mail postcard marketing system through Cash Building System Unlimited compensation plan, you can build yourself a serious flow of cash every week as your team grows. The program is a simple two-phase program. The cost of phase one to join is just a $50 membership fee. You will receive 200 postcards and 200 names of prospects on peel and stick labels to mail out your postcards to. I have the labels here. By the way, this is my card. This is the card, if you can see it. Let me see. Can you see that card? That's what it looks like. And my ID number is 1556. And it says, let me read that again. The program is a simple two-phase program. The cost of phase one to join is just $50 membership fee. You will receive 200 postcards, 200 names of prospect on peel and stick labels. I just want you to get this. I'm going back over it so you can get it. These are the labels that you get with names of people that's interested in you can't see them, but names of people that's interested in building a business from home. And all you have to do is peel it off as you uh, uh, go through your postcard. Put one on each postcard. Put a postcard stamp on there and mail it out. That's all it takes. And you will also receive a phase two upgrade form, postcard order form, your personal ID number, and much more. When someone joins the program from your postcard, you receive $25. No cold calling, no explaining, no selling, no monthly product purchase to make, no internet or computer required. Just think when you start mailing out, it goes on and on and on. You continue to get more postcards and more names so you can continue your business. Try to join phase two as soon as possible to avoid missing out on future commission. If you are not a member of phase two, we will send your sponsor phase two upgrade form to your new member. So it's important to try to get in and get in at least phase two. Phase one is the $50, but you want to upgrade to phase two if possible. But if not, you still receive that $25 and 200 postcards and 200 leads every time a person uh, comes in. That's powerful. To me, that's powerful. You that means your business is continuing over and over and over again. How phase two works is pick the level you are joining. Pay each member on that level, mail postcards and uh, or flyers. Your commission for each member you bring into the business depends on your level and your new member's level. Example, you join level 4. Your new member joins level 1. You make $70. If they join level 2, you make $350. If they join level 4, you make $1,050. If they join level 6, you make $1,050. The rest of the money is spilled over and goes to your sponsor up to their level. So try to sign up on the highest level you can to collect as much money as you can. Spillover bonus, you can get paid up to the level you are signed up for. Any money above that goes to your sponsor up to their level. This is spillover. Upgrade bonus, I will let you go ahead and sign up, and then you will receive your packages, and you will receive your package 200 leads and 200 postcards. It's easy to get started. Get you some stamps, some postcard stamp, and just start mailing out. And I am your sponsor, Marlon Carter, and you can contact me and with the phone number that you receive, and we can stay connected and just get your business started. Work from home just by mailing out postcard. I am Marlon Carter, the elder Marlon Carter, a gospel preacher first and an entrepreneur next, and I am from Dallas, Texas, Big D. But anyway, you all have a wonderful day or night. The link to this page will be in the description down below, and you can come over and put in your information and receive information on how to get started. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye now.